Hi and welcome to day 25 of the 30-day social media blitz training program. I'm Kerry Fitzgibbon and today we are setting up a YouTube account, which is really exciting. So just to give you a little bit of information about YouTube, just in case you don't know, YouTube is the second largest search engine, second to Google. And guess who owns YouTube? Of course, Google does. So what's really great is if you set up a YouTube channel and you are providing, posting videos, then it's going to help you with your ranking on the internet. So it helps you be found. Google happens to love videos. So there's several different things you can do. You can use YouTube to help rank your website or rank your content so people can help you be found, but you can also use YouTube or videos to create content to establish yourself as the authority in your industry. Okay, so now there's several different ways that you can access YouTube. You would have set up a Gmail account by now because we've set up a Google Plus account. Okay, so we can get to YouTube via our Google Plus account, or you can just log into Google. So we're just logging into Google now. Now we can either go in at youtube.com, you can type that in to go in there, or we can go right up to the corner here. We've got all the little drop down squares here. This is where our apps are, so we can click on this and we can go to YouTube right here. Okay, so it takes us to our channel. Okay, now if you haven't set something up, it will ask you just basically to set it up, follow the instructions. Okay, but what we want to do once we've set up our very basic channel, it'll just say create an account, and then you can create one. Okay, I mean, the great thing about having a Gmail account is that most of it should have already been done for you. It's nice and simple. Okay, so we've got a basic account here. Now what we want to be able to do initially is link it to our Google Plus account that we set up. So what will happen with this is it will drag pretty much all your information through from Gmail and set it up here. So what we want to do is we want to click on our little picture up the top here, and that'll bring up my channel, video manager, subscriptions, YouTube settings, and all my channels. Okay, you can also have your profile, Google Plus, privacy settings, and so on. Now the great thing with this is that YouTube allows you to set up several basically channels inside one Gmail account. Once upon a time you had to set up several Gmail accounts to be able to have, you'd have to do a Gmail account per channel. Now it lets you set them all up. So we're going to go over here to all my channels and we're going to click on this. Now you see I've got a few channels here, okay, but what it does, you won't probably have this, but what it will do is it'll pull in other options. Now because you've set up your Google Plus account, it'll pull this through. So this is it right here, my card making for profit Google Plus account that I set up. Okay, so I'm going to click on that now. Now what this is going to do is this is going to link my Google Plus page with a YouTube channel. I'm just going to go OK, and OK again. So it says your page and channel will display the same name and photo. Your public YouTube videos will appear on both. So it really joins your video with your Google Plus, and manager of the Google Plus page will be able to manage your channel as well. Okay, so we're just going to go OK. Now we're going to use the YouTube as our channel. I've got several here. It will probably be different for you. It just might take it straight through, and we're going to go OK. Okay, there you have it. You're pretty much set up. Okay, so just to go through a few things, we need to, there's a couple of basically five vital components you'll need to edit inside your YouTube channel in order to make it be able to function properly. Okay, so one of them is our icon, which is this little thing up here, but we don't need to add that because it's been dragged through from Google Plus. Okay, the other one is the art in here, so we're going to add some art. Now it's very specific about the size. You cannot go any smaller than this. It's actually a really large size. It gets squashed right down, but it's a 2560 by 114 and a maximum file size of 2 megabytes. Okay, so we're just going to go and grab that. And then it shows us exactly what it's going to look like. So if it was desktop, it's going to look like that. I might need to change that around a little bit. TV like that and mobile like that. So, okay, so that's what it shows up as, but as you can see, I probably actually really need to adjust this a little bit more, but we'll do that at a later date, so just to carry on. Okay, so just to navigate your way around this, just for now, so up the top here we have all our icons and that, so you can see that we're card making for profit and we're using the channel as this. If you were using it as your personal Gmail account, so if I was using it as kerryfitzgibbon@gmail.com, it would show my photo that I use for Gmail up here. Okay, this is your notifications, so the little bell here, you can click on this to see what sort of things notifications you've got, and also at the top here takes us more into our channel, so we can go my channel, video manager, subscriptions, and so on. Okay, but what I'm going to do for now is take you right down to the bottom here, and we've got our home where we can share our thoughts and type something in here. We've got the videos that we have uploaded, but of course we haven't uploaded anything yet. And I'm just going to go in tomorrow. I'm going to show you how you can record nice and easily a video and upload it from your mobile phone. Okay, we've got our playlists, so these are channels or other places, playlists of videos and that we like, or channels that we like. Okay, different channels here, so we don't feature any other channels at the present point in time. We can do discussions here, but I just want to get straight into the about section here is the main one that I'm looking at the moment. Okay, just in terms of setting up your channel properly. So I said there was 5 key things. So we've got our icon, we've got our art here, and we've got our description in here. Okay, so we've got our channel description, and you want to type something about your channel in here. So I suggest you use this very similar writing than what you have in your Facebook, what you have in your LinkedIn, and what you have in your Google+. You just pop it in here. Okay. Now what you can also do is you can add your email for your business inquiries in here if you want someone to email you, and then you can add your website in here. So we can go website and then put your website in. Okay, it's automatically got Google Plus because of course that's the 2 pages were linked, and any other social links you want to add in here, you might want to put your Facebook account in as well. We might go Facebook and add in Facebook and so on. So this is where you link everything up in here. Okay, and then we want to go done. Now what that does, if you tick, oops, we're just going to go back again. Let me just go back. If you tick overlay first link on channel art, overlay linked Google Plus on channel art, and then let's just say I add the Facebook as well, and I did oopsie daisy, we're doing 2 of those now, Facebook, and I did I know I usually say go to the account and copy the link, but we're just going to do it like that for now. Now what that does, whoops, let's go here. What that does is when you look over here at the channel art, we've got our website, we've got our Google Plus, and we've got a Facebook. So at a glance, people can join us all over the place. Okay. So what I might do is I might leave it at here for now. And what I'm going to do tomorrow is show you how to optimize your channel, and then we're going to show you how you can do some nice and easy videos and content and so on. Okay, so now it's your turn. Make sure that you load up your channel and let us know how you go.